Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how can you make your Snapchat profile public. It's pretty easy and simple. So let's get start our video. So first of all, you need to launch on your Snapchat application, and after open your Snapchat application you need to go your Bitmoji icon on the bottom or top left corner. There you can see Bitmoji icon, tap it, and now your Snapchat account is not public, and if you want to make it public, just tap on the top right corner settings icon and then scroll down. After that, there you can see option who can, and there have contact me option. Just tap it, then select everyone, and then use my camera camo selfie. Tap it, select everyone. Send me notification, select everyone. View my story, select everyone. And see me and in quick add, select or mark this icon. Then memories, mark this also. That's it. So you need to this sum option make everyone, and after select everyone, your Snapchat icon making public. That means your Snapchat application or Snapchat account is making public. So guys, hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.